Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'm going to be telling you about eSpares compatible pneumatic vacuum cleaner bags. These bags have been especially designed for eSpares to be used on pneumatic vacuum cleaners that use these type of bags. There are two types available, the standard bag and the high filtration bag. The high filtration bag uses 5-layer synthetic special filter material to help increase the airflow, making these high filtration bags 50% more efficient than the standard bag, meaning that you can clean for longer without having to change the bag, but retain as much dust as possible. Both bags have a flexible seal around the entrance to ensure maximum airflow into the bag, and both have a flap to help seal and prevent dust escaping when changing. Both bags are available in packs of 10 and offer great value for money and performance. Remember, eSpares stocks spares and accessories for all the electrical items around your home. Thanks for watching.